Good morning, traders, and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard, your host for this pre-market session. Each morning we listen for stocks to be called out in this scan, and we also want to monitor the ones that pop in down here in Discovery 1. We also want to watch for the extreme breakout yellow here to pop up in this magic scan. Once we see a stock pop up, we come over to the current bar volume, which is the volume in this very last candle. We want to make sure that that volume is really moving, a high number, a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers, and we want to see it green, just like you see here. We also want to monitor money flow. This is a very fast moving indicator, so if this green line is pointing north, the buyers are coming in strong. We also want to watch Dominator Master down here. This is a very special volume indicator. It also has buyers and sellers within each bar. We want these green bars breaking above this yellow average volume line. Once we see all of that and you get into a trade, you want to monitor this money flow indicator. If it turns red and starts dropping, you want to make sure you watch what you're doing, and you might have to get out of the stock. It depends on how far down this red line goes. Also, if you are a beginning trader, I highly suggest you watch these live streams over and over. Don't just throw money at it. It looks kind of easy on the screen, but when it comes to putting your real money in it, it's a little bit more difficult. So make sure you start by watching these streams, but trade on paper. Write down your entry, your exit, and your results. If you continue to be profitable on paper, then change over to real money. But trade small share size anywhere between 1 and 10 shares. And if you continue to be profitable with real money, then the only thing you need to do to increase your profit is increase your share size. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you reach out to the proper authorities before you take any of my advice or use any of my indicators. And in your active trader, make sure your TIF is on EXT so you don't miss a trade. Thank you for joining me this morning, premium members and YouTubers. Haven't seen too much moving this morning. We will continue to watch and wait. This is Friday. Be aware of that. A lot of people like to sell off stocks, so don't get caught in the traps. I'm pretty sure we'll make money on one or two of them. Hopefully, we'll get blessed this morning. We'll see how it goes at the top of the hour. About a minute and a half to go yet. Need to turn that volume up just a bit. About a minute to go. KOLD. All right, 10 seconds. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. It's been a slow start most of the week, but we have managed to pull out some good profits. Very quiet start for this Friday morning. I'm running about 9 other scans this morning. I'm looking around. If you hear me silenced, I am looking for a trade.
ABAT.
BTAI looks good on the chart, but we have no volume in it whatsoever. Got a penny stock with some volume here, PMNT. Not a penny stock trader, but for those of you who are interested, this may be a runner. Currently pulling back. Money flow is negative. Red bar in Dominator Master. Red label. Looks like the market's going to test our patience this morning. We'll wait. All we need is one or two good ones.
OPEN.
I'm not seeing anything in any of the scans yet.
OPEN.
PMNT, the penny stock I posted earlier, kind of sold off and recovered. Now pushing up higher.
OPEN.
VMAR pushing higher here at 350. Slight profit taking right here. Be careful. Watch the volume is still kind of low. There's no big battle going on here yet. We need some taller green bars coming in consistently. Money flow is kind of laying flat. It may or may not spike upwards.
OPEN. OPEN.
OPEN only paying pennies and hardly any volume.
BHC.
NA starting to move up here. Currently at 570. Looks like we have some buyers coming in. Volume extremely low on this one also. So it's not at play yet. We need a battle going on. We don't want to wait forever for a profit.
BHC. OPEN.
BHC, nothing there. NA pulling back. Looks like everything pulling back now. We'll watch NA here. It seems to have the most action. Still not liking the volume on it. The money flow is very negative.
OPEN. XBI.
VMAR spiking up. A little bit late on it, but maybe not. We'll see if the buyers continue to come in. We have nice volume flow.
XBI.
Money flow looking good. Here comes the push. 445, 456, 462. Let's go. Take profits as these things spike up now. Don't let the money get away from you. Nice push upwards.
OPEN.
Hope you took advantage of that one. That was about 60 cents a share. If you got in quick enough. Good job, Jimmy.
OPEN.
That was a fast mover. At first, I thought I was late, but we caught the better part of the run. Good job, Gary. 894, and that's 894. Good job, Barry. 366. R, 490. Good job on trading.
OPEN.
This is what patience does. You just have to wait for the right one. So I never worry in the morning. I just wait, enjoy my coffee, chat with traders, wait for blessings. There may be more to come here. I'm watching the momentum indicator down here and this money flow. Slight profit taking. The wick on the top are sellers taking profit. Let's see if we hold here. I'm going to go ahead and put a line because if we break above this line, we could be experiencing a minor pullback here. I'd like to see it drop down about to the bottom of this candle or just keep pushing. That would be good also. Watching these dominator bars for taller. There's the breakout for 540. That was 40 cents from that line. Of course, I know you didn't catch it all, but it was another push to the upside. Buyers are still on board, watching money flow here. Looks like it's kind of weak. Volume is slowing down a little bit, maybe running out of buyers. It's holding the price at 520s. Few profit takers. We'll keep watching it unless it sells off. If it drops down back below this line or near this line, we will watch it for a bounce. More buyers coming back in, it looks like. Volume is slowing, so we may be getting weaker up here. I would take the profit.
OPEN.
That was a pretty good one. Thank you, Lord. Let's see if we come down to retest 493. It looks like we already did. We got close to it up here. Now we're waiting for a break above here for another push. I'm pretty sure it's probably fired up some of the other paid services out there, and they may just now be getting it. We want it to really break out here now. We don't want to just buy it looks like a bounce. We want it to run. We want this bar tall and green. We want this one flying back north. Want to break above that 530 level. Buyers are trying to push it higher. 567. Nice micro pullback on this one for another 20 cents. Actually 40 cents. Work it, work it, work it. That's what we do here. Good job, Greg B. 239. Metronome 15 cents a share. R $75. Sawyer 24. A 23. KK 637. Good job, KK. Gary's total 921. Good trading, Gary. If you've never been here before, 6 o'clock a.m. Central Time, wake up, come make some money with us, have some coffee, chat with friends. Good job, Develop 3. Good morning, Terry. Nice trade, 390. Look like we may get another push out of it here. We have an extreme breakout arrow. No, not yet. I was hoping to get one of those on this trade. We did not get one. This may be too late to get in now. Don't risk it up here at the top. We done got our piece of the pie. Don't go for the whole pie. Sorry to hear that, Autumn Rain. And I don't want to rub it in, but I think I kind of been warning you over shorting in these markets. I know that hurts to hear me say that, but you got to have caution. We'll get it back, Autumn Rain. I can tell you that right now. We will get it back. Go back to the strategy.
PGEN.
YouTubers, hope you're making money over there, taking advantage of these rockets that fly every morning. I know a lot of you have been hanging out in YouTube forever. You should have caught on by now. We do this every morning over and over and over. Once you catch on, it's like waking up and print some money and go back to bed. You are very welcome, soul. I'm here to make you money, YouTubers, not here to throw some video at you and say, here, watch this. I don't do it that way. I do it right in front of you.
PGEN.
PGEN. PGEN already flying. It looks like we gapped up to $3, so be careful here. It's running really fast. I think we may be late on this one, so use caution.
PGEN.
Maybe not. Strong buyers, lots of volume, money flow north. Let's let them take some profit, then we'll try to do the bounce here. If we get a chance to do a bounce, it looks pretty strong to me. Pull back, baby, pull back. We need a pullback. Take your profits who just got in. Let's get a pullback going. Looks like we're going to break out again. I'm not going to be able to slow this one down, I don't think. Watch money flow. It's just barely tipping over at the top. That means it still has strength up there. Profit taking going on. This is the pullback we're looking for. I'll go ahead and throw the line here. Let's see if we turn around and bust through it. for another run. Slight profit taking, waiting for money flow to turn around and point back north. Hopefully we get a second run out of it. Red label over here. We're still negative, still profit taking. We need it to flip. Watching money flow closely. We want to see a green bar start coming in here and break above that yellow line. Thank you, Gary. I was a little late on it. You must have spotted it before I did. Thank you very much for the YouTube compliment. I've been trading a very long time, since 1990. And I love sharing my experience, what I've learned. Yeah, it looks like this one's going to sell off. Yes, I'm an old person. This month on the 23rd, I will be 79. Working my way up there. Not really. I won't be that old. I'll be 69 though. I feel like 79. This body has worked very hard in construction all of my life, and it feels like an older person. '69 is getting up there, though. Thank you very much. I still feel good inside. Thank you very much.
BOIL.
I know my bedtime's getting earlier and earlier as the time goes by. Thank you, WB. And thank you, NI3. Waiting for the next play here. Y'all are making me mushy now. Don't make me cry. You get soft-hearted too when you get older.
UEC.
You know why older people cry easy, right? Because we look back and see y'all and all the mistakes that we made are in y'all, and we know where you're headed. That poor kid. I can't believe he's doing that. Wait a minute, I think I did that too. You are Autumn Rain. You are headed to success. You're also a professional trader. You just don't know it yet.
BOIL.
Thank you, soul. You're already there, Autumn Rain. You have to believe you're already there and you just made a mistake.
BOIL.
I owned a construction company for 47 years. Even that was enjoyable to me. Always left the customer with that wow factor. Always got a hug at the end of the job. And yes, I did have my one or two that didn't go right. But I want to say 95% of them were happy.
BOIL.
BOIL, that stock gets called out almost every day. Maybe I should pay attention to it and start playing the bounces. BOIL. It's in a good price range. I think the thing with Boyle is it's always low volume. I think that's why I never buy it. I started programming, well, I started learning programming probably 25 years ago. And just to clarify, I am not a professional licensed, went to school coder. I am a self taught individual. And when I see something I'm interested in, I teach myself. Thank you, YouTubers, to all of you. We need another trade and get off of me now, but thank you very much. You guys do bring joy to my heart.
UNG.
Waiting on the next one. Coffee is barely warm. VMAR, pretty good sell off there. Looks like some bottom bounce players coming on board with it. Pop back up in one of my scans. Got to let that money flow indicator get up above before you decide to do anything. We need these indicators always firing, right? We want them green, pointing north. We don't want to try to guess a bounce. Guessing don't make you money. Thank you very much, Prophet 777. I'm getting a tissue now, but thank you very much. Nice to have you on board the range. Majika, not trading this week was really not that bad. I was so busy with other things, it kind of took my mind off of it. But yes, I feel rested. I'm ready to get back in it. I miss it. And for those of you that don't know, I haven't traded all week. I took a break from trading so that I could focus elsewhere. Highly encourage everyone to take some time off if you've been doing it for a while. Let the stress go away. Get relaxed. Go do something. Go fish for a week. Take a vacation. Go do something without thinking about stocks. Then come back to it and start over. You'll see that it helps. You can't just pound the brain every day over and over and over with this stuff or you're going to go nuts. See you later, Joby. Have a blessed one.
LAZR.
And that goes for anything you do. I don't care if you're a lawyer, a doctor, you need time off. Yeah, I'm watching PPSI, Ken. I have 8 monitors full of stock data. So I'm looking around like I'm in a spacecraft. Got the colors working so that I can spot one quickly. Aaron, that's nothing, brother. Come down further south and add humidity to that, about 90% humidity. And you can have the free steam bath with the rest of us.
SQNS. SQNS.
SQNS. Let's take a look just to see if it's doing something. Looking over at the volume, the first thing I do is look right here. If it's not moving, I'm not interested.
SQNS.
I'm not looking for a 10 share buy or a 20 share buy. I'm looking for a battle. I want to be on the front line of that battle when it happens.
HSAI.
PGEN is probably done.
SQNS.
SQNS. Still no battle going on. Just a few interested people that think it's going to go to the moon. It's paying about a half a penny at a time. Thank you, Soul. Slots for fun. Those are the ones that need to learn patience, right? Patience is key here. Wait for the right one. Not seeing anything at the moment.
UEC, UEC, HSAI, UEC,
Autumn Rain, here's my advice. It's already happened.
WEB,
It's over. From this point forward, you have a new account and you're starting over and you're roaring to go.
OPEN,
Don't let it bother you. We've all taken big hits, or at least most of us have. I know I have. You just have to put it behind you. It's done. It's over. It's yesterday, in other words. Let's move forward from here. Nice to meet you to the range.
OPEN, HSAI, UNG, BOIL,
I'm about equal to you, Jason. I'm down close to Galveston Island in Texas. About the same level on the earth.
HSAI,
HSAI, let's take a look. I'm ready for another play here. Try to get the YouTubers in. Another trade before the market ends here for them. Nothing happening on this one.
KWEB, BOIL,
Duvin, it's called, God, now you got my brain working. I'm trying to think of the name. What's the name of my clock? Anybody remember the widget? Oh, widget launchers. If you search widget launcher in Google, you will find it. You are welcome.
WEB, OPEN.
OPEN, slowly moving today. You may want to put that one in your personal watch list. Keep an eye on it.
UNG.
I know some of you taken a hit from it in the past.
BOIL.
Might be your chance to get it back.
HSAI. KWEB. OPEN.
All right, YouTubers, that free hour has ended. I appreciate each and every one of you who joined me this morning. I hope you learned a little bit more, made a little bit more money. Don't forget to hit the like button for me on the YouTube live stream video so that YouTube will pay for my coffee each and every morning. And that's about all they pay for, really. If you're interested in joining us, we're fixing to move over to volumespikes.com. But if you just can't wait, there's a label up at the top of the chat that takes you over to our Discord. You sign up for Discord and hit the Upgrade Now channel on the left. It'll instruct you on how to join us, and you'll get about 4 hours of me. You'll get training by Milo and Aaron. All the support you need, a whole bunch of scans and indicators come with your membership. We'd love to have you on board. Come make money with us 4 hours each morning. We do very good, as you can see. If not, I hope you meet us over on volumespikes.com once we launch. I think we're not far away. I'm pushing it all I can. The programmers are pushing it all they can. We're trying to get there, and we will eventually. But anyway, thank you very much for joining me this morning. Have a very blessed weekend. I am out. I love you much.